Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone Garnet. This is the birthstone for January and it's the Stone of Renewal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you've sat in my meditations before, then welcome back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And today, a guided meditation is an opportunity to practice sitting with a particular gemstone, feeling its energy, and deciding if it's a gemstone that you would like to work with more or that can help you during your everyday life situations. So if you do have a piece of garnet, and this could even be in a ring or a pendant, because often garnet is faceted for jewelry, and this is a piece that's tumbled, but you could have a tumbled stone or a piece of jewelry, then go get that now and set it aside. But you don't need a piece of garnet to benefit from this meditation. If any of the prompts that I bring up as you sit through the meditation really speak to you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some garnet and work with it some more to see how it can help you. Now, I do have garnet bracelet and gemstone sets available in my store along with garnet pendants, and the link to my online store is in the description below. So if you'd like to work with some garnet some more, then I do have some available for you to start working with. If you haven't already watched the video, Improving Your Life with Garnet, then I'm gonna link that up here. You might wanna pause this video and go watch that one. It's not very long, so that you can get a feel for what the supportive benefits of garnet are before you sit through the meditation. And the last thing that we need before we start is a comfortable seat. So whether you're sitting on a cushion on the floor or in a chair or outside, just make sure that it's comfortable enough for you to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes while we do the meditation. So if you have your stone, or you're ready to imagine it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. So first, just close your eyes and take some long, slow breaths. And notice how it feels to breathe right now. Is your breathing easy, smooth, or tight, or maybe a little hesitant? Just see how it's doing right now. And bring your awareness to your body and seeing how it's feeling right now as we start this meditation. Any tensions, pains, numbness? Or does it feel pretty comfortable? Then check in with your mind and your heart. How's everything feeling right now? We're not trying to change anything. We're just watching and observing and seeing what's going on with you right now. And then bring your awareness to the places on your body that are touching your chair or the floor or the ground beneath you. And keep in mind that you are sitting on the top of the entire earth. And you are in contact with the energy of this whole planet. And you are supported by the earth during this meditation. And then pick up your piece of garnet and put that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energy of the garnet. And then take some time to really feel this piece of garnet. Its weight in your hand, its texture as you touch it. If you have it in ring or pendant or earring form, then feel the whole item as it's in your hand. And take a minute to really get to know your piece of garnet. Notice if anything's changed in your body, your heart, and your mind since you've picked up the garnet and started holding it. And then imagine yourself surrounded by a bubble of cleansing white light. And right in front of you is a shield made of red energy. And sit with this image of garnet energy for a minute. Garnet is the stone of renewal. And as you sit holding the garnet, consider the following questions. Do you feel stuck in a negativity rut and you're maybe in need of an energetic or attitude reset? Are you currently in the midst of a life crisis? Are you in a situation that feels a bit hopeless? Does life feel stagnant, boring, repetitive? Do you want to deepen or strengthen a current relationship? All of these life situations are supported by Garnet. Garnet will help you with these. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your mind, to your heart. And think about that life situation while you hold this garnet. Don't have a garnet, just imagine a deep red stone in your mind as you consider your situation in life. And notice if anything at all feels different to you about this scenario as you hold the garnet. Does anything change? And just noticing if anything has changed for you about this situation, about how you feel about it. And it may not happen right away. It may take several meditations for the garnet to start taking effect in your life. And bringing your awareness to your body and your heart and mind, and noticing if anything there has changed since you've started this meditation. We're not trying to force anything. We're just looking. We're just looking and taking note of any changes or differences. And then release the image of the garnet energy and the situation that you were thinking about. And you can put down your garnet and just come back to breathing. Just let it all go and breathe. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today with this guided meditation with Garnet, the Stone of Renewal. And I hope you found it useful. And I hope you felt something from the garnet or found a way that it can help you, and it's okay if it doesn't. Not every gemstone helps us. But if one of these scenarios did call to you, then that's a sign that you should get some garnet. And also, these meditations are meant to be repeated 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really quickly call up the energy of garnet as soon as you pick it up. If you're currently in a life crisis, garnet helps with that. And if you're starting to feel panicky or you need some support, then you pick up your garnet and it instantly settles you and helps you feel safe. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. Knowing the life situations that you need help with, which crystals support it, and when to use it. If you're new to this channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post videos about the healing and supportive benefits of that gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone. So if you're interested in doing a really intensive study in different crystal energies, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again next week.